Yes, he's sleeping at the moment. Yes, Dad. What you gonna say?
Peace and quiet.
So you could play PlayStation 5 today, yes?
For about half an hour.
Why half an hour?
Because they'll wake up.
He's whispering because he doesn't want his kids to awake. This is the only time we have. Yes, Daddy?
Yep.
Ang tipid magsalita. I-try. Tinetest ko lang yung mic yan. Anyway, it's 4:36 in the morning here. And kids asleep, so this time we can do whatever we want because they sleep. Yes. So Daddy is playing PlayStation and me, I'm playing my phone, and I can do TikTok anywhere I want. Yes. Sinusubukan natin yung mic. Mic test, 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 test. Yes. Why so poggy? Daddy.
What?
Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys.